so today's video is going to be a collab video. This is the Summer Vibes collab that I'm doing with Nona from My So-Called Life 77 here on YouTube. Go check her channel out. She's amazing, she's so sweet, and she's been so nice to me ever since I found her channel. And she uploads all the time, which, Nona, if you're watching, I don't know how you do it, but you're amazing. I don't know how she does it, but she uploads every day. And I envy her so much for that. But she is so sweet. And I asked her if she wanted to do this collab because I'm really bad at, I guess, making friends in the beauty community. And I just decided that I was going to go ahead and take the leap and ask someone if they wanted to do a collab. And I'm really happy that Nona said yes and she wanted to do this collab with me. I'm really excited to watch her video and see what look she did. We decided to go with this theme that was summer vibes. And so I'm going with a purple, a blue, and maybe like a blue shimmer look that I want to do. I'm not really sure. But I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place Warrior palette, Warrior 3, excuse me, and the Zulu by Juvia's Place, and the Festival palette by Juvia's Place. So I'm really excited to do this. And again, Nona, thank you so much for collabing with me. And if you guys still have not checked out her channel, I'm going to link it below. But please check her out. She is the sweetest, and really happy to be doing this video with her. Okay, so we are right here up and close for these eyes, for the eye look. And I'm going to be using a depotted eyeshadow that I have in my little container right here. I need to get like a palette to put them in, but it's just a light purplish pink eyeshadow. And I have it right here. And this is what I'm going to be using right up in this area. I'm going to go in with this one first. This is what I'm just using as the base. Dipping in, dipping in. It's like a really pretty pastel. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with the purple. And this is a pretty deep purple right here in the, right there, in the Warrior 3 palette from Juvia's Place. And I'm going to go in with that purple. I'm going to use this Wet n Wild blending brush, and I'm going to dab into that and just put it right here in that area. Going in, as I said, with this purple, and then I'm probably going to use a little bit of blue, and then I'm going to take another clean Wet n Wild brush, and I'm going to go in with that lighter blue and see what I can do with that right up in this area. Yeah, that's basically like what I wanted. So I'm putting that basically right here so that everything blends together. Alright, so I'm going back in with that purple and just sort of reinforcing it right up in this area so that it doesn't look so choppy. But that's basically like the vibe that I'm going for. For the shimmer, this is the Aurora Lights from BH Cosmetics, and this has some shimmers in it, and I am drawn to this blue and this light color over here, so I think I'm going to mix both of them and just see what happens. So I have it right here, and I'm just going to place it here. Just like that. Okay, so now that I have that going on here with that shimmer, I'm going to go ahead and take that pinkish purple that I showed you, and I'm going to put that right in here. And I actually think I have a better pink in the Zodiac from BH Cosmetics. So I think I might go ahead and use that. Yeah. This one is called Scorpio. Right there, that pink one. Okay, so now I'm back and I finished the eye look. I just did the bottom lower lash line eyeshadow, and that's basically it. So now I'm gonna do my face, and then I'll probably come back to do the lips, and then that is pretty much it. So if you want to see me doing my face, I have other videos on my channel where I do that, or actually my last video I did that. And if you want to request like a full face routine, just let me know and I will do that. But this is the look. Really cute, really vibrant and summery, and I love it. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back now. I completed the rest of the look. All I have left to do is my highlighter and lips and set. Yeah, so for the highlighter, I'm going to be using the Blushing and Bali BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to be going in with Glisten, which is this shade right here, and I'm going to be dipping into that really lightly with this e.l.f. Highlighting brush, and just gonna dust it in this area, going up. Just something a little soft. Right there like that. Alright, so now that I have that done with the spray, I'm going to go in with the Lorac Pro Plum Pink liquid lipstick, and then I'm going to go in with the gloss. This is my favorite liquid lipstick, and it is discontinued, which is really sad. But I'm just cherishing the days that I have with it. It's just a beautiful pinky nude. It's beautiful. And then after that, I'm going to go in with this Caress lip gloss. This is the cherry oil one. I got this from Ross, and it's in the shade Nude. I feel like I can't get my words out of my mouth today. But I'm going to be going over the Lorac lipstick with this. But that is it. That is the look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you again, Nona, for collabing with me. And yeah, I cannot wait to see your look. I really can't. But this is my summer vibes, summer nights look. I think it came together pretty good. Yeah. Alright, so thank you guys so much for sticking around. If you're from Nona's channel and you're subscribing, hello, welcome. I have new videos coming soon, and I really hope you enjoy your stay on my channel. And yeah, so alright, I'll see you all. Bye.